Hello everyone, this is Tomo. Today I will show you how to make this bird origami. You can find this origami in the climax scene of Frozen 2, and I hope you're going to enjoy my origami instructions and follow along. In the beginning, keep the white side of the origami paper up, pick up one corner and match the corner on the diagonal corner, right, like this. Let's keep this closer. Open the paper, and this time I want you to find this line right here and pick up the corners on the both sides on the line and match them together and make a triangle again. Open the paper and keep the colored side up, and this time pick up these two neighbor corners and match them on the other side, nice and neat, and crease the edge and make a white rectangle. Open the paper, change the angle and make the rectangle one more time. Open the paper and this time keep the white side up. You can find the wrinkles look like British flag, and this time I want you to pick up one corner and match the corner on the diagonal side and make a triangle. You've already made this triangle earlier, so you don't need to crease too hard. And this time I want you to pick up the triangle like this and pay attention on the top corners right here. There are two corners, and I want you to squish the pocket and spread these two corners as far as possible and make a shape of X and match these two corners of the X together, and so as the other side, and make a triangle. Leave the triangle on the table and crease the slopes, and so as the center line right here. Now this time I want you to pick up the top corner on the right side and left side, and this time I want you to let these slopes cross the center line one by one. Let's do one by one. And before creasing, I want you to let these two corners and those two edges as balanced as possible. After this, I want you to pick up this big corner and fold this big corner down and crease the edge right here. Then fold this corner up just a little bit and crease the edge right here. And when you're done, I want you to fold everything in half. Oops, it's slippery. And when you're done, you will see a shape of the bird, which you can find in the climax scene of Frozen 2. Thank you very much for watching.